Well, the second belt is on. This is the first one is kind of a wider belt. This was short. That's the shortest one, the alternator belt. This one goes around the fan, and I'm not sure what. This is also a wide belt. It's the second one, the middle belt on the camshaft. So I had to put this in 3 bolts in here, and then the adjuster is right here, right in here. You have to pull this so you can get your. So I loosened it up, got the belt on, tightened it back down to about where I think is the right tension, and then tighten this up. So I'd say we're good on the second belt. And now we're ready to put this one on for the third belt. This is not tightened down yet because the fan goes on here. So it does have some play. And this is not tightened down here yet because of this bracket. Okay, let's get the bracket on and get the third belt on, which is a narrower belt and one of the long ones.